Hi there, it's Savewith Crypto. First of all, sorry if I scared the life out of everybody this morning. I kind of woke up quite early and I saw that horrible tweet with a link to a dodgy form. And I just thought some people are going to fall for this. And there was even someone in the comments who said that they had fallen for something very similar. So I had to do the clickbaity title just to get the message out and everything. I'm sorry if that upset somebody, but honestly, it's so bloody important that I just think people need to know. Basically, never ever give your 24-word seed phrase to anybody at all. Never. Mine is safely locked away, and even I'd have to sort of go and look for it to find it, and that only belongs to you, and you only need it if you break your phone or your computer blows up or something like that. But in somebody else's hands, they can just wipe out your account and just take everything. Not Elrond's fault, not Maiar's fault, your fault. Okay, so 10 minutes ago, Benjamin Minku pushed out a tweet saying, still alive and pushing, we found the problem, fixed it and tested heavily. I did see the testing going on the Telegram group, which is to do with the testnet, and it looks like there was quite intense testing going on. And he goes on to say, if final testing works well, the Maiar DEX will go live in the next 12 to 15 hours. Okay, so it's about midday UTC right now, Wednesday, 8th of December. So I guess we're looking at kind of, for me, it's about, it's going to be past my bedtime. It's going to be like midnight or something. So I guess my next update about that will be probably tomorrow morning. I might even set my alarm a little bit early so I can wake up and do an early one. Now, it does also say PS rewards boost incoming with go live. This all sounds pretty good. I'm so looking forward to getting back on it and seeing what's going on. Okay, I mean, there's a lot of people on Twitter and stuff saying they think that it's a rug pull, Elrond have run away with their money and all that kind of thing. There is actually a way how you can sort of see the contents of your account, and the way to do that is to go over to your Maiar app and have a look at what the address would be that you would deposit EGLD into your Maiar wallet with. Now, when you get that address, go over to explorer.elrond.com and get that address. It will start with ERD something, and put that into the Elrond Blockchain Explorer, and then you can see here, you can see your transactions. And if you go to ESD tokens here, you can see your farms and stuff. So that should give you some confidence that all your Elrond type money is happily on the blockchain and all ready for tomorrow when we can start playing with it. Okay, so that's just a very brief update. Sorry I can't say anything more at the moment, but I think we've just got to wait another 12 to 15 hours. So there you go. Once again, sorry for anyone that I upset this morning with my clickbaity title. Sorry about that. Anyway, but I do think it's important to kind of spread the word. I have even seen on Twitter, I've seen like accounts called things like Maiar support group and things like that. And if you look at the addresses, there are things like get Maiar 01 or get Maiar _, that kind of thing. I can't actually show you because I've like reported them all, so they're not showing on my Twitter anymore. But just be careful, just don't give that phrase to anyone. I mean, make it difficult for yourself to get hold of it, so then you'll never be tempted, and hopefully you'll remember my words. Don't give it to anyone, okay? So yeah, so Thursday the 9th of December, I think we're good to go. And I'm quite pleased really, because I think that's going to delay Ride, which means that I should have 30 EGLD to play with when Ride goes live. So that's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to showing you how it all works. Okay, so do remember to follow me on Twitter. It's just Savewith Crypto. I'll leave all the links for all that in the description of the video, so do check out the links down there. Also check out the warning there, because none of this is financial advice. You don't have to do what I say. In fact, you shouldn't do what I say, because I don't know what I'm doing a lot of the time, but sometimes I do. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching the video, Please do give it a like. If you didn't like it, click dislike twice just to make sure I know that you don't like it. And please do subscribe, leave a nice comment, tick the notifications bell, and above all, tell your friends.